Hello guys, welcome back to Python tutorial for beginners, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to write a program or code in Python. So guys, for this you have to install Python idle software on your system, and you can easily get it from internet. As you can see, I already have this software, so I have opened this and now this is opening. So you can easily download and install it in your system. So now guys, this is the area which is called shell. Okay, it is called Python shell. As you can see above, it is written Python version and shell. So guys, this is the place where our programs will run in the Python. Okay, so guys, we are going to learn how to write a code in Python. So there are two ways to write a code or program in Python. Like you can first of all you can code on a file, or second option is you can directly write your codes on the shell. So guys, just move to step 1 and know how to write your program or code in file. So for this I have opened a new file, and now I will print a message. Like for printing any message you have to use print function. So now I have written print hello world. So hello world is a message and it needs to be encoded within either single or double quote. Now suppose I take a variable like x equal to 345, say y equal to some other numbers, and now I'm gonna print the summation of x and y. So I have to use print function again and write x plus y. Not only this, you can also have one more example, like one more message. Suppose here I am Neelam. Okay, so you have to write like this. Okay, I am Neelam. So this is a message which I have written. So now my code is ready to run, so I need to save it. So just go to save section or press Ctrl S and give it any name. And yes, one more thing, the extension of Python files will be .py. You can see its extension is visible above, and now it is ready to run. So just go to the menu and you can click on the run in the menu and then click on run module, or you can directly click on F5. Now you can see the output in the Python shell. Okay, hello world, the summation, result, and here I am Neelam. So this is how you can write your code on a file. So I hope this is clear, and now we will move to the next next option, like writing your codes on the shell. So yes guys, you can directly write your codes on the shell without writing it on a file. Okay, for that you have to do nothing, just write anything, suppose a number, and press enter. So you can see the number has come in output. Now write a message like I am Neelam. So a message should be encoded either within single quote or within double quote. You can write the same message within double quote also. So it will also display the same message on the shell. You can see the blue one is output, and the and the green ones are the inputs that I have written. Now you can also perform summation of two numbers just like I have done, and you can also use variables on the shell, like say x is equal to a string, say it Python, and say one more string y is equal to is my favorite. Okay, so now I have two variables or two messages. So suppose I want to concatenate both these messages. So I have to use x plus y. So it will put both these together and output as Python is my favorite. So this is the approach how to write your codes in Python. Thank you.